Are you encountering the could not open WhatsApp error on your iPhone? Don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through the steps to fix it. Let's dive in. But first, make sure you have a stable Wi-Fi or cellular data connection. Try switching between Wi-Fi and cellular data to see if that resolves the issue. Try airplane mode on and off. After trying these basic things, if your issue is still alive, then follow these advanced solutions. Solution 1. Force close the WhatsApp app. Swipe up from the iPhone home screen or press and hold on the home button if you're using an older model iPhone. Now find the WhatsApp app in the app switcher. Now just simply swipe up to close it, and then reopen the app. Solution 2. Clear WhatsApp cache. First, open up the Settings app. After that, tap General. Tap iPhone Storage. Find the WhatsApp app. Here you will find the WhatsApp app. Tap on it. Now tap on the Offload app. Again, tap on the Offload app to confirm it. Next, tap Reinstall it. Solution 3. Enable Background App Refresh. Go to the Settings app. Tap on General. Scroll down. Tap on Background App Refresh. Again, tap on Background App Refresh. Now select Wi-Fi or Wi-Fi and cellular data from here. Then go back, scroll down, find the WhatsApp app. Make sure to toggle it on. Now go to the WhatsApp app and try to open it again. If you still have the same issue, then follow the next solution. Solution 4. Update the WhatsApp app. Go to the App Store, tap on the search icon from the below. Type WhatsApp. If you see Update option available there, then update the app. Check your issue to see whether it is solved. Solution 5. Reset all settings. Open Settings, tap General, scroll down, then tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. After that, tap Reset. Now tap Reset all settings. Then enter the passcode of your iPhone if it wants. Tap Reset all settings again. After resetting all settings, go ahead and check whether your problem is solved or not. I hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.